Welcome to Rossfield in West Mobile, Alabama. If you're looking for a new construction home in the Baker School District, this is a great location. This community will feature a community pool and clubhouse for the community homeowners. This floor plan is the Denton floor plan. It's over 2,200 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom with 2 full baths. These homes are priced in the 300s. They come standard with granite countertops in the kitchen and in the baths, stainless steel appliances, the recessed panel cabinets, a smart home package. Of course, this home is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your insurance premium. You also get a 1-year builder warranty and a 10-year structural warranty. D.R. Horton pays up to $5,000 of your buyer's closing costs, and they're usually running other incentives. So call today to find out what incentives I can offer you. Don't forget, anytime you go to a D.R. Horton community, make sure you tell them Frankie Wink sent you. Doesn't cost you a thing. Call today for your private showing, 251-234-9919. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.